Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super simple and creative project, upcycled jar lid magnets. If you have some spare jar lids lying around, this is the perfect way to give them new life while organizing your space. Let's quickly go over the materials you'll need: clean jar lids, acrylic paint, small photos or paper designs, and magnet strips. You'll also want a brush, some glue or Mod Podge, and scissors to help shape your designs. Start by making sure your jar lids are clean and dry, so the paint and glue will stick well. Now, grab your favorite acrylic paint colors and cover the inside and outside of each lid. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try patterns, stripes, or even a solid bold color for a modern look. Let the paint dry completely before moving on to the next step. This helps keep your design crisp and smudge-free. Next, cut out small photos, fun patterned paper, or even motivational quotes to fit inside the lid. Arrange your chosen design or photo inside the lid, making sure it fits snugly and looks good from the front. Use glue or Mod Podge to secure your paper or photo into the lid, smoothing out any air bubbles as you go. If you like, add a coat of Mod Podge over the top to seal and protect your design, giving it a slight glossy finish. Like the designs in today's project? Check out our custom-made designs just for you at our Printify store. Personalize your own gifts or decor. Start browsing now.
Let everything dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until it feels completely set to the touch.
Now, flip the jar lid over so you're looking at the back. Cut a strip of self-adhesive magnet to fit the back of the lid, or use a round magnet if you prefer. Peel and stick the magnet onto the back of the lid, pressing firmly so it adheres well. If your magnet isn't self-adhesive, just use a bit of strong craft glue and let it dry according to the glue's instructions. That's it, your upcycled jar lid magnet is ready to display on your fridge, locker, or any magnetic surface. These make awesome gifts, especially when you personalize them with special photos or messages. You can even make a whole set for different seasons, holidays, or themes. Get as creative as you like. This project is great for kids and adults alike, and is a fantastic way to practice sustainable crafting. By upcycling, you're helping the planet and adding a unique, handmade touch to your home. Remember to share your designs with friends. This is a fun group activity or party craft. For more creative ideas and ready-to-order graphic designs, check out our Printify store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow for more eco-friendly and fun DIY projects. We can't wait to see the magnets you create. Happy crafting!